What's up, gadget inspectors? Nick here, and I have been using my Z Fold 7 for about a week now, and I just wanted to give you a quick touch-up at update. Let's go. All right, so I've had my Galaxy Z Fold 7 for about a week now, and I just wanted to touch on how that week went, especially because during that week, I took my Z Fold 7 to a trip to Seattle. This is the first time I've ever been to Seattle, so I put a lot of trust in this device, bringing this as my main device and not bringing my S25 Ultra. And I want to give a few points from what that week was like. So first and foremost, the design. As you can see, like I have the Fold 7, but this has a case on it. This has the Taurus magnetic case. And with a case, one of my biggest gripes with the Z Fold 6 was that once you put a case on it, it became unwieldy. So with the slim down and the trim down, right? So it's thinner and lighter. Putting a case on this makes this feel like a normal phone, and I really appreciate that. So I get to have the best of both worlds, right? I get to feel protected, and I don't have to feel like I'm carrying around a giant brick. So I love that. Number two, the cameras. So man, I'm gonna upload some shots and some video here. Here it is. This is the Z Fold 7's camera now. All of these were taken with the 200 megapixel. Now I will say, since I was in Seattle and doing some sightseeing and actually, wanting to take some landscape photos, I still kind of wish I had that 50 megapixel ultra wide that the S25 Ultra comes with, but more than happy with this. But here's the output. You let me know what you think about that. The next point is one of the points where I thought this device could potentially lose me, and that is the battery life. Now, I know I've only had this a week, so I'm still really in the honeymoon phase of the battery, but it holds up. And I honestly feel like it's giving me better battery life than my Z Fold 6. Now, that may just be because my Z Fold 6 has been through way more cycles than this device, and it may just be the newness of this battery. But the 4,400 milliamp hours it's holding up. It's been enough. It got me through getting to the airport with GPS and Android Auto, being in the airport, holding my boarding passes, showing those boarding passes and all that, those other documents you need in the airport. Entertainment, like playing YouTube through Bluetooth speakers the entire time. Entertainment on the flight, like watching my downloaded YouTube and Netflix videos on the flight. And then getting my rental car and getting to the hotel so I can get to a charger. At no point did I have anxiety. I didn't feel like, oh, I was going to run out of battery. Huge caveat that being this was just a week with the phone, so we'll see what happens once the battery settled in. But so far, like, no red flags. I am enjoying it. It's been a blast so far. So yeah, I'll let you know. This is not my full review by any means, but I'm just letting you know that so far I am just having a ball. It will be tough to beat this phone for me this year. The Z Fold 6 last year, while I couldn't call it the best phone, it for sure was my favorite. And this might be the best phone of 2026. I think this may be the phone that brings foldables mainstream. So yeah, let me know what you think. You've had it for a couple of weeks so far, a month, I'm not sure. But what has been your experience? You like it? You hate it? Think it's not worth it? Let me know in the comments below. But until the next time, peace out.